Have you ever felt trapped inside your own mind? Heavy thoughts, constant worry, a sadness that won't explain itself? Depression and anxiety can make you feel alone, broken, or weak. Buddhism offers a different perspective, one that does not judge your pain, but understands it deeply. The Buddha never denied suffering. In fact, the first truth he taught was simple and honest. Life includes suffering. Feeling anxious, low, or overwhelmed does not mean something is wrong with you. It means you are human. Buddhism begins not by fixing you, but by accepting what is present. Depression often pulls the mind into the past. Regret, guilt, loss. Anxiety pushes the mind into the future. Fear, uncertainty. What might go wrong? The Buddha taught that suffering grows when the mind leaves the present moment, not because the present is perfect, but because it is the only place where peace can exist. Buddhism teaches awareness instead of resistance. When sadness arises, notice it. When fear appears, observe it. Do not label yourself as broken. The Buddha compared emotions to passing clouds. They feel permanent, but they are not. When you stop fighting them, they begin to loosen their grip. One powerful Buddhist practice for anxiety is mindful breathing, not to control the breath, but to feel it. Each breath anchors the mind back to now. When thoughts race, the breath becomes a quiet refuge, steady, patient, always available. The Buddha also warned against identifying with thoughts. Depression says, "This is who I am." Anxiety says, "This will never end." Buddhism teaches that thoughts are events, not facts. You can watch them without becoming them. Compassion is central in Buddhism, not only for others, but for yourself. The Buddha taught that harsh self-judgment deepens suffering. Gentle awareness heals it. Speaking kindly to yourself is not weakness, it is wisdom. Buddhism does not promise instant happiness. It offers something more realistic, understanding, patience, and a path through suffering. Step by step, breath by breath, moment by moment. If this message brought you even a little comfort, like the video, share it with someone silently struggling, and subscribe to Inside of Buddha for teachings that bring calm to the mind and softness to the heart. Because healing does not begin by escaping pain, but by meeting it with awareness and compassion.